Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is us, Miss Little Audrey over here. Hi. And myself, Miss Christine. Thank you so much for being here today, children. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time because I have a lot of energy today and I'm going to read you guys a story. What story? A storybook that's all about different kinds of animals, particularly an animal who lives on a farm. What animals live on a farm? Do you think sharks live on a farm? Sharks? I don't think so. What about, do you think tiger lives on a farm? A tiger lives on a farm? No, I don't think so. Do you think a lion lives on a farm? No, because they are wild animals. Now let's find out what kind of animals live on a farm and where can we find them in there. Alright? Or their place where they sleep or take a nap. Now, but before that, we're going to sing some songs today. Now, what are we going to sing today? I'm thinking let's sing, what about let's do some counting today. Are you ready? Show me your little fingers. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did I let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Well done, everybody. And what else? What else are we going to sing? Audrey, what are we going to sing today? What else? We've sung the Twinkle Twinkle. We've sung the Incy Wincy Spider. Maybe let's sing Mr. Sun today. But Mr. Sun is hiding behind a tree. Where's your Mr. Sun? Ready? We're gonna sing, oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Well done, everyone. Now, are you ready, children? Oh, look at that. What animals can you see on a farm? What's this? What's this? What's this? And what's this? Let's see. This one is a pig. Oink, oink. It's a hen. Clack, 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 clack. It's a horse. It's a sheep. Bah. It's a cow. Moo. Now let's see and find out where they live. Oh, look at that. Who is hiding in the pigsty? Who could it be? Are you ready? Ready, steady, go. Ta-da! It's a pig. Well done. It's a pig. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. It's a pig. Well done. The next one. Clack, 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 clack. Who is hiding in a hen house? Who is hiding in a hen house? Are you ready? Steady, ready, steady. Ta-da! It's a hen. Hens live in a hen house. Well done, children. Oh, this one is a stable. Who lives in a stable? Let's find out now. It's a horse. It's a horse. Horses live in a stable. Well done. And the other one, woof, woof. There's a little doggy, just like Audrey. Woof, woof. Audrey, who could this be? Who could it be, darling? Do you know? No? Let's see. It's who's hiding behind the bush. It's the sheep. Ba. Ba. The sheep is hiding behind the bush. Maybe it's very hungry, isn't it? The next one, this is rather big. Who is hiding in the barn? Could it be a gorilla? No. Could it be a monkey? No. Let's find out now. Are you ready? It's a cow. Well done, everyone. Cows live in the barn. Well done, everybody, for getting them correctly. Now, before we say goodbye, can we say, it's a cow, it's a cow, it's a cow. The next one, it's a sheep, it's a sheep, it's a sheep. Well done. It's a horse, it's a horse, it's a horse. Well done. And this, it's a hen, it's a hen, it's a hen. Very good. You guys are very, very good. I keep smacking you, my Johnny. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. And lastly, we've got, it's a pig, it's a pig, it's a pig. Very nice. Did you like that story, Audrey? You did? Oh, me too. And I think our friends loved it too. Now, before we say goodbye to our storybook, we're going to sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Very nice. Ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a clack clack here and a clack clack there, here clack, there clack, everywhere clack clack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And last one, and on his farm he had a, Audrey's a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys learn about the farm animals. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye. Mwah. Don't forget to put thumbs up over there and subscribe if you want to subscribe. Bye-bye.